Friends, hello. It is the week. We have got the week right now coming up that we've been waiting for here for Sofi. So if you don't know, here is a skibby what's going on. This will be the last week before the next Monday where Sofi will be releasing their quarterlies the 31st of July here. These are the second quarterlies of the year and we are expecting them to be better than the last few. So this has been helping the uptick in the commotion around Sofi here. Now tech in general had a tremendous week this past week, and Sofi fell right into that as well, because usually Sofi is a tech company a lot of people consider it to be, even though obviously, you know, I know there's some fine guidelines there people like to argue about, but we're just going to throw it into the tech unit for right now just to make everyone happy. So Sofi even broke over $10 this week pre-market. We saw that it broke into it, but mostly holding right under a $10 mark here, but a high 9. So here's the skibby. More than likely we're going to see Sofi well breaking the $10 this week. We might even see 11, 12, just on the assumption that Sofi will be bringing out some really nice quarterlies this time around. And not to mention, this is kind of just a situation right now where Sofi is waiting for these student loans to kick back in, because obviously that's one of the main bread and butter elements Sofi does is their student loan program, but obviously banking in general and their technology they have, hence why people put them in a technology category. So there's not a ton to talk about right now that, you know, I haven't talked about, but just the fact that we had a really good week with Sofi. Already we saw a huge movement in it. You know, it wasn't life-changing numbers here, but it held its ground and did really good. Thursday, Friday, everything tech-wise sold off. We even saw Palantir have a huge week, the biggest week so far. Then it sold back down, but the fact that we're still remaining right under this $10 mark, I mean, 3-4 weeks ago we were at $7, $8. So this is still, if you're buying in at that portion, it's a huge uptrend compared to a lot of stocks people try to get their money into. So I think it's a very good ground to be in right now. So friends, like I said, I'm not going to yap too long about what's going on here because we've already covered everything about it. But this week, really be watching Sofi. You know, if you're in it, you're in it. By Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this week, I would not be surprised to see Sofi really be taken off. And we have to realize that, you know, there's going to be a bunch of articles coming out, pumping it, talking good about it, because the general consensus is right now is that Sofi should be coming out with some better quarterlies. And if it's just even okay quarterlies, that's still a good place for Sofi to be, as long as they're not bad, because like I said, those student loans that will be kicking back in here soon will be bringing money back into Sofi. That's why a lot of people are projecting here that Sofi will probably most likely run up to a $15 rating here, price wise, at least by the end of this year, if everything continues to fall in line like it is so far. So friends, enjoy what weekend you have left here, barbecue and drinking coffee into the late of night, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, friends. Bye everyone.